Are you looking for information on scholarships for Indian students in the United Kingdom? Don't worry, you've come to the right video. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to LeapScholar, India's #1 study abroad platform. If you're new here, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get regular updates about study abroad content. So studying in the UK can actually be very affordable as compared to other countries, provided that you plan in advance. This is because a wide range of scholarships are offered by the British universities before the deadlines. These scholarships are available to meritorious and deserving international students to help them fund their education. These can be partially funded or even fully funded, depending on the criteria, the course, and the institution. So there are mainly 4 types of scholarships available for Indian students who want to study in UK. They are government funded scholarships, which are funded by the government of UK, non-government UK scholarships, which are run by the British Council. The third is scholarships offered by the British universities and colleges themselves. And the final one is scholarships offered by Indian trusts and institutions. So we will be dividing this topic into 2 videos because there's a lot of information to cover. In this first video of the series, I'm going to talk about the government-funded UK scholarships and the non-government UK scholarships. Let's get started. The education departments of the 4 UK countries, that is England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, decide each year that which category of students should be given scholarships and grants. And these are called the government-funded UK scholarships. The first one is the Chevening Scholarship. Chevening Scholarship is for talented professionals who have shown prior leadership skills and exceptional performance in their respective fields. In order to be eligible for this scholarship, you need to have minimum 2 years of work experience and an admit letter from a UK university. Chevening scholarships are fully funded and they include airfare, tuition fees and living expenses. The selection of these scholarships is done by the British High Commission and the British embassies, and there is a lot of competition for this one. Next is the Commonwealth Scholarship and Fellowship. The Commonwealth Scholarship Commission in the UK offers scholarships and fellowships to international students from Commonwealth nations. Indian students who are applying for a master's degree or a PhD program in the UK can apply for this scholarship to fund their education. This scholarship covers airfare, tuition fees and some of the maintenance costs. Here, your academic scores are very important, and if you have a strong academic profile, you have a good chance at being awarded this scholarship. The next one are the Great Scholarships. This scholarship is jointly funded by the UK government's Great Britain campaign and the British Council's Study in UK campaign. For Indian students, 12 of the higher education institutes in UK are offering 13 postgraduate scholarships. The amount of each scholarship is equal to £10,000, which is equivalent to 1 year of tuition fee for a postgraduate program. The application deadlines vary from university to university, so you will need to check the university website for proper details. The last one in this category is the Scotland Saltire Scholarships. This initiative awards 50 students annually for a 1-year post-graduation full-time program. The students must be pursuing their education in science, technology, healthcare, creative industries, or renewable and clean energy. This scholarship is offered by the Scottish Government in collaboration with Scottish universities. The value of each scholarship is £8,000, which covers the tuition fees for 1 year of postgraduate study at any of Scotland's higher education institutes. Now we move on to the next category, which is the non-governmental UK scholarships awarded to international students. These scholarships are run and administered by the British Council. Let's start with the Charles Wallace India Trust Scholarship. This scholarship is given to Indian students who are in the early or mid stage of their career and are working in the field of arts, heritage conservation, or humanities. It includes fully funded awards, visiting fellowships in certain subjects, grants for doctoral research, and grants to attend the Scottish University's summer school. The amount and duration can vary from type to type of the scholarship. Next, we have the Goa Education Trust Scholarship. In the year 2009, the Dempo and the Femento Group joined hands with the British Council of India and established the Goa India Trust Scholarship. The primary objective of this collaboration was to offer Goan students a chance to pursue postgraduate level of study in the United Kingdom. Students can opt for various disciplines such as architecture, journalism, education, business management, and communications. Again, this scholarship is also merit-based, and an exceptional and consistent academic track record is very important. Participation and achievements in extracurricular activities such as sports and theatre are also considered. So this brings us to the end of part 1 of the UK Scholarship series. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. In the next video, I'll be talking about a lot more scholarships offered by the UK for Indian students. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.